welcome to the Insight Great YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be walking you through a simple data cleaning using pandas in Python. Alright, I'll be making use of Research Google to run my Python code. Alright, to write and run my Python code. So I'll click on new notebook. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Okay. Let me upload my datasets to the platform. So I'll just right click on upload. Simple, then you can locate where your data set is. Yes, because once this thing is terminated, the data set will be moved from the platform. Alright, let me just clean my let me name the simple data cleaning. This is for beginners. You're just starting your career as a data analyst. Alright. Like I said, it's a simple data cleaning. I'm making use of only one library, which is pandas. That's import pandas as PD. Alright. Then I'll run it. Code. Let's view our data. Let's have the idea of what we are working on. Okay. One thing about this platform is once as time goes on, you are working on the platform, it brings suggestion of what you are trying to do. Okay, let me copy the file parts. Copy parts of my file. Paste it here. Alright. df.add, it allows you to fill the first 5 rows of your data set. What was the error about this code? It has issue with the coding, so we need to encode. Let me see if it will give me suggestion about to do about the encoding. As a data analyst or a data scientist, you would have been coming across such issue like this. Alright, okay, don't panic. There are ways to it, so you just need to make your research and how to go about. You can see it gave me suggestion, so let me accept and run and see if it will work. Yes, it works, so that's fine. I have my whole ID. I have another number here as index. No, I don't want it. I want to remove it. If you like, you can leave it. I don't want it because like a repetition. It started from 0 though. I want to make use of my role ID as my index. Alright. So I'll just come here. I put comma then index underscore. It has even put suggestion. Then I'll type in what I want to use, role ID. So let me run it and see if it will work. Awesome, it works. So I have my role ID as the index. So I have my other information. You can see how it is. So now let's check for the information about the rows and columns. Let's check how many rows and how many columns we have in our data set. You can find that by typing the name of what you save your data set as. I choose DF. You can choose something else. Alright, dot shape. Then I'll run it. It will give me the number of rows and the number of columns we have. You can see we have 9,094 rows and 20 columns. Alright. So that's what our data set is about. So now let's check for the information on the data set. That will be info. Open and close bracket. Then you run it. So we get the number, the column names, and the data type, and also you can also check for missing value. You can see the columns in here. We have 20 columns. These are their names. You can see that everything they are not missing value. They have 9,094, but we don't know yet if we have duplicate, so we have to check if we have duplicate or not. Looking at the data type now, we can see other ID is okay, other dates that is not okay. Other dates cannot be object, it has to be a date time. Shift date cannot be an object, it has to be a date time. What other things again? I think everything is fine here. Profit is in float here, discount float, everything is fine, but we need to check for duplicates, check for also change the data type. We've seen that there are no non-value. Nonetheless, we can also check another way to check for any missing value is to df dot is none dot sum. So in case for a beginner, you're trying to find for each column, which will state the number of missing value for each column. You can see there are no missing value here, so it's fine. So let's check for duplicates. Let's see if we have duplicate before we change the date. That's df dot, let's do duplicated. Oh, it was suggestion. So let's check what will give us. So it means that there's a duplicate there. So we need to drop that duplicate. We don't want duplicate. How do you do it? It will be df dot drop underscore input information. So it will drop the duplicate that we have. And the only way to check the duplicate that we drop, you can say df dot. Remember then that when we did there, it was given what 9,994, then 20 columns. So let's see what it will give us now. So it's giving us 9,993, 20 columns. It means that the duplicate has been dropped. All right. So let's change the date now, the other date from object to date time. All right. So we are good, right? Other dates, other dates. Oh, okay, awesome. And also ship dates. It's giving me this suggestion because I have done this before now. I've done this. And even done apart from this, I've done something related to this also. So that is why it is giving me the option. Alright, in case you start yours and it's not giving you option, just continue whatever you are doing, it will. Alright, so let's check if it has changed the app.info. You can also check all the information to see that everything is correct. Okay, so we are good. It has changed. What else do we want to do? We've checked the shape. We've done the duplicates. Am I missing anything? Oh, there's a way we can even get information on the numerical value on the data set. We have df. You want to get the mean, the media, df dot third of this crisis. It has even given me option. It will give you information about the numerical values there. Alright. Okay. What else am I missing? What else am I missing? I think that is all for now. If there's anything for me to teach you, I'll put it on the next video. Alright. Thank you today. I would like to hear from you in the comment section. Okay. There's a way that you can even also what's it called? Trim spaces, unnecessary spaces. You can trim unnecessary spaces in the customer name. Let me just show you that to trim unnecessary spaces in the customer name or the product name. It will be df. What's the customer name? Oh, customer name. No, not the invalid can't. Okay. Yeah, prestige. But the what to convert no dot. I'm trying to look for to clean whatever that it might be for what's it called. I need this trim any white spaces in that customer name. You can also do for product name. Alright. Okay. Anything I'm missing that I've not done. You can also, in case you are not okay with the capital letter, small letter, for you look at the column, everything start, each name start with capital. So in case you want to change, you can also change. I think that is all for today. That is all for now. You can leave your question, your comment, or if you have any data set you want us to work on. Thank you.